What's going on, fellas? It's your boy, Technology Show Off here, and today I got something very different today. This is something I usually don't do reviews on, but this is kind of a unique flashback. This right here is a 5-inch portable black and white TV from the old days when TV wasn't super duper popular or was popular and people wanted to watch TV anywhere they go. Well, this right here, you can do such a thing. It uses an antenna to get all those TV stations and stuff. I'm sure that you could probably not do that in this time of year. But it's got three-way power source, so you can use the wall thing to use your wall outlets. You can plug into your car, and I think you can plug into and it's also got a thing where you can put batteries in it. It's got telescopic antenna and headphone jack, and it does come with headphones. So let's go ahead. This has obviously already been open because this used to be my grandparents' TV and they didn't want it anymore and decided to give it to me. So it's already been open, so let's open it up for you guys. So, hey, see what we got. We got headphones and some paper. Here's that thick wall adapter. This is the wall adapter that they used to use on TVs. This is a chunky thing right here. And now, like in modern days, like on these big old flat screens, they just have the regular little two-prong things like that. And at the old days, they had these chunky power supplies. And here's the TV itself. It's very heavy for its size. It's pretty heavy. This is kind of like a retro unboxing. And here's your volume, your channel, select your channel modes for your TV stuff, and it does have a radio built in, AM FM radio. And here's your functions, turn it off completely. And we got for your radio, you got your actual TV thing, volume, headphone port, what channel you're on and what radio station you're on. And here's your tuning, where you can find channels and tune the radio. I think this is a vent, and I believe that right there is your speaker. More ventilation. Look in the back, we got like power stuff where you can plug in, and I think, wait, there's some writing. Oh, you can plug in different antennas there if you don't want to use this telescopic antenna. And here's your things to adjust your color and your brightness and contrast for your screen. Even though it's just black and white, you can adjust like the picture quality, some writing stuff, caution stuff, and let's see what's more in this box. There's the car stuff. You can plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet, and there's something for your antenna, I think. Instruction manual. This thing at the bottom, that's your warranty. That's your warranty thing, and that's pretty much it. Now let's plug this thing in and see what it does. You just simply plug it in. Then you just plug it into the wall. Alright, it's plugged in. Now let's extend that antenna. Now let's turn it on. Let's try the TV first, see what that looks like. And yes, back a long time ago, these old TVs make noises. They do make little buzzing noises and stuff, and see the volume works. That is a speaker. And of course this is staticky. Now it's tuning. We're probably not going to find a station on here. Let's try it a different way. I'll switch it over. Still nothing. And we're probably not going to find a station. There's the radio.
The question is, can y'all... That is the mediocrity.
And you can tell that the radio actually does work on it. It still picks up radio stations, but it don't pick up TV stations. So I guess this is much more like a collector's item than an actual functioning TV to watch TV on. So this is good for at least as a collector's item, collecting like old school stuff and comparing it to the modern day stuff. And here's your headphones. It's your standard headphone thing. I'm sure they work, but I'm not going to use them. But this is something different I'm doing on my channel. Just give you guys a little throwback of what small portable TVs were like back a long time ago. And it's a Curtis brand, in case you're wondering what brand this is. And a nice detailed box that came in. And well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.